Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am in the kitchen, and I'm finally going to use my Ninja Pro blender. And what I'm going to do tonight, I am going to be mixing my cranberry mango juice with some pineapple, with apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of stevia sugar, and lemon, and that's the juice I usually used to use to make start off my diet. So this is what I'm going to do to start it off again. So let's get ready to see how it's gonna go. So we're gonna do a 2 blend. So we are going to, okay, and we're gonna do. And that is it. And I'm going to show you the one I'm going to use. I am going to use, if you can see, this one. This is the container I'm going to use. But I always put a double. So it looks like that, like a smoothie, but we're going to blend it a little more. But yeah, that is it. Until then, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.